Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome back, everybody. So let's take a look again on the forex market. Today we do not have some hidden tricks in cross-market analysis. It's usually we are monitoring together the euro currency with the futures on the euro, with the dollar index, gold, and so on. So today it's not necessary. You could see what's going on in the market. And actually, as we said, after this upward rally that has happened on the Fed meeting, we said this is temporal. We do not believe that actually there's really some background exists for euro appreciation in the nearest time, and in general, market view on the dovish Fed Reserve seems, well, at least we do not agree with it, and we could say, well, gently that, if speaking gently, market is overpricing and overreacting. A recent statement from the Jerome Powell, if not to say it's a bit more strictly, that market is actually wrong with this anticipation of the fast rate cut. Currently, you see the changing balance between the currencies, and as you know, the S&P already has cut the rate for 25 basis points. Low inflation or lower inflation than expected in Great Britain, also making pressure on the Bank of England to turn to the more dovish rhetoric. And since European Union is tightly related with the Switzerland as the Great Britain, so it makes investors to suggest that the European Central Bank currently, well, closer to the moment of the softer policy than the United States. But, well, actually we talked about this many times already, that Fed probably will start cutting rate earlier than the Fed. Whatever it is, you could see in technical picture everything goes with our big pattern. So market, by different reasons, you can see was able to stay precisely at the point where it should be, the top of the right arm. Perfect point for position taking. Yesterday we've got another opportunity for taking the short, as we discussed. Now if you have the short position, you probably need to do nothing, just protect with the break-even stop and see what will happen. Minimum target, as you understand, and all this stuff is the drop back to the 107 area, because we have the grabber on the weekly chart, we have the grabber on the dollar index. Both suggest the same action to the previous extreme points. On the euro currency this is low, on the dollar index this is top, and you can see what is going on. So that's our nearest target, but supposedly, since we have larger pattern, we suggest that it should be some extension, so we should get some kind of ABCD pattern with the target somewhere around 105.50. So you could calculate it by yourself, but this is longer term perspective. Probably we'll use it within a few weeks. For now, by taking a look at the current performance on the 4-hour time frame chart, we could consider the nearest standing target for today. It's around 108 area, since now we have this large ABCD pattern. Serial extends really fast, and it means that OP definitely should be hit today, which is 107.95 approximately. It creates an agreement with the fib level 108 even approximately. So if you have missed the entry yesterday, right there at this point that we have discussed, well, in this case it would be better to wait when the market will touch this level and will show some minor reaction, because here, well, maybe it's not perfect, but at least you could recognize, well, some hint on possible head and shoulders, right? So maybe it is not clear the head and shoulders, but right from this area you could see there was bounce first, market shows upward continuation, now returns back down to the 108. So supposedly, or maybe if we get lucky, this might be some other pullback that could lead you to another chance for taking the short position if you would like to, because taking it right now before market will reach the 108, it's not really attractive, because you will have to place stop too far. It's even, we don't have even attractive points for stop placement. This market is dropping, it's maybe only above the C point, but it's too far. But potential target stands too close, and you could be caught on the wrong direction with a solid pullback. That's why our suggestion, and actually following the technical analysis, this is not the good idea. So it's better to wait when the market hits the target, shows the pullback, and then you could use this rally to sell. So that's the two odds that we have. Finally, on the hourly chart, I just plot here a few levels that you could keep an eye on. They probably will be different. As market will keep going lower, this also will move slightly lower, but just keep an eye on the 30% level on the 618. But probably I would, in this current situation, would watching for either this one or 50% favorite level for the EUR currency. It's also stand in harmony with this area. So if market will show the pullback here, so it will be approximately the 50%. It's 1.70, somewhere with this most recent thrust down. That's the level, guys, that we have discussed yesterday for a possible short entry. So you can see after pullbacks was retracement as we suggested, and an area around 109.15, 109.20 was really nice for a possible take in the short position. So here you can see what has happened. Actually, this week was relatively good for us, so because we have traded 3 setups and all of them has been finished with a positive result. So from this point, this week could be looked as successful. So let's see. Let's hope that next week also will be not bad. Especially currently we have a great pattern on the back. I mean, big head and shoulders that we have on the daily chart, and also supported by the weekly grabbers. This is a good combination that led us to count on more or less positive results as well. So let's keep watching and see what will happen.